Okay, let's roll the intro because I want to get started, right? Okay, so where is my intro? It's here. Lift off. Bonjour, hi, welcome to the stream with my little rusty voice. I had a cold a few weeks ago and I still have not cleared that out. Apparently, my buddies say, no, I want to keep it. I don't know. I was trying to record video this week and I was like, I don't like that. I don't like it too much. Yeah, super happy. So welcome behind my cloud. This is a 2-hour stream, live coding, where I mess around with stuff, usually going on the edge of the technology, meaning like the latest bits available. We build app, sometimes it's a game, sometimes it's like other stuff. Today I want to focus on AI. So on the last stream, we start working on adding AI in Notebookmark. It's an open source project that we did work on the stream. It's a thing I don't like to read online, so I send stuff on my Kindle-ish application, and then I can take a note. So like we build a website that run in a Docker container in my mini PC over here. That is available through internet, so you could host it anywhere you want, and like you could take a note, add more suggestion, and then once a week what I do is it creates a summary. So taking all the notes I read and put it together, we use AI to generate a summary, kind of an introduction paragraph for this blog post, because I post that on my blog. And today the goal is to continue to work on this, but instead of like where we'll be using AI is perfect. That's what I was looking for. So where we'll be using AI is to get reading suggestion. So we will add a multi-agent, and then we'll ask, hey, I would like to learn Azure, and then it will go look on internet, grab some interesting information, grab the information and bring back some suggestions. And then you could add it to the list, send it to your Kindle or just like to the list, and you could read it online. So like it's a bookmark manager where you can add notes and stuff like that. And that's it. I'm happy because it just started what I wanted to show you. So we've been having a little bit of issue with .NET in a recent stream. On the last stream, everything was fixed because I kind of like rolled back the .NET version, because the .NET version wasn't supported on my Debian 13 that was just released. So it's, it's a clash of different version. It's usually get resolved pretty quickly, and .NET 10 is still not fully released. So it was the release candidate. It was not like the full release. So, nothing bad against Debian, nothing bad against .NET. It just a clash of different version. So that's fine. But I was messing around, and then found out I fixed everything, and I still love Debian. I think it's a great distribution on Linux. I'm using a Linux. I'm a big user of Linux. The machine I'm streaming from is a Windows PC. That's a big tower where I did my photo, my video, gaming a little bit. And it used to be, I want it to be still Windows, but my laptop, that's the machine you see right now with the matrix thing, that's a Linux. That's my work, not my work, but my developer machine. And then for work, I have a MacBook Pro because they give MacBook Pro to all employees. Oh, come on. Change it. And right now, I saw like my big surprise is that I changed the release. Come on. Voila. Change it for Omarchy. So it's a new distribution that was released by the guy who created Ruby, and I decided to give it a try, and oh my god, I loved it. So I switched my laptop to use that distro. So it's super clean. You know how I don't like any icons. I'm still new a little bit about how using it. So we'll have that kind of fun today, trying to understand like how to do things. But it's pretty clean. So like it use Wayland, so like you could just like create windows by calling them, and I cannot really move them. I can change, you know, it's always windows and stuff like that, and a fast fetch. So it's like, that's the distro, and it's heavy on keyboard, and yeah. So like I have multiple screens, but I'm not sure how it works. Because I think this is an awesome setup if you have like one screen, but when you have two screens, only three what? Watch straight, quick reach. Oh, cool. Well, you did miss a few, sir. I was disappointed those streams. I don't know why it says 3. I don't know. I feel like you're here most of the time. I won't. But I am happy. Congrats for you for like being here for 3 stream. So yeah. So when like I think it's Wayland, when you get to multiple screens, I'm a little bit confused on how things works, but it's great. It's been great. So Notebookmark, that's the project we'll be playing on today, and I have another project, but I may wait a little bit later. Oh, maybe I should start with that. I don't know. Should I? Maybe I should.
Yay!
Who landed?
Yay!
Not me, right? Did I drop? Yeah, I did. Did I? Yes, Frank dropped. Okay. I dropped, but didn't land. That's life. That's life for you. Okay. Yeah, I want to show you something wrong. Okay, something is wrong. Oh, really? Rate limit? Interesting. Oh, they put it in orange for Halloween. Oh, it's true, it's Halloween today, right? Happy Halloween, everybody. I'm not doing anything special, as you could notice, I guess. This is not a costume, this is my real skin. Yeah, I want to show you. So yeah, oh, I can show you not this repo because it's private, so I won't be able to see it on this PC. If I go in my repository, this is the thing I wanted to show you. I know I talked about it on the stream, but I didn't show it yet. So let's go in the corner. And it's check in the doc MCP. So it's an MCP server that look in specific documentation website. So you kind of like pre-list the allowed domain. So you can say, hey, I want you only to look on GitHub docs or Python docs or Reka docs. And when you're with Copilot, you could just say, hey, check in the doc for like if blah, blah, blah. And then
Bonjour. Hi.
the agent,
How are you today?
hey, GT, I'm well. How about you? How are you? And the agent will just go and search for you in the specific documentation website and get back with the answer. Oh, that should be a fun one to drop. And yeah, so you just have to have a key, and then you just paste that into your tool, and it should work. So should we try it? Let's try it. So I'm pasting that. I could just add by the button. By doing this though, what I like is I set it, but and in fact you could also use this button, but this button, like, it will open your Visual Studio Code and like do everything. But what I don't like, because I'm streaming, is the key, the API key will be visible, and there's no way for me to make it so it's not visible. So if you're alone and you're not sharing your screen and stuff like that, it's totally fine to click here and it will bring the stuff. But when you're streaming, that other one is better because it will encrypt, not encrypt, but they just show asterisks. So like you are not sharing your API key. So let me share this. Let's add it to the note too. Boom. So what I will do is I will copy this, go into screen one, and to add an MCP server. Oh, I didn't solve my problem on this machine. I don't know how to zoom. We'll have to, because this is like Omarchy. Omarchy is based on Arch. And so I lost my, or maybe it still work? No, it doesn't. My zoom thing tool. So I need to find zoom it, but for Arch. Forgot to do that. I thought I was ready to stream. There's always something, right? Okay, so to add a button, sorry, it will be little, but here in the little corner of the chat, Copilot chat, you could go configure tools. So that's all the tools I have available. There's fetch. Fetch is good because it will give the capability to Copilot to go fetch a specific URL, but it could be anything. And sometimes if you're not precise enough, or like if the website you suggest for the check-in doc is not, let's say like you only add C# and then you're asking for Python, then Copilot will try to use fetch instead. But fetch is just like go see the web page and then return it to Copilot, and Copilot needs to do the work. With Reka does go over there, then like start thinking and do multiple research online and do more than stuff like reading multiple pages and stuff, and then like bring you back a summary of that, and then Copilot will just display, or even like crunching down depending on what you did ask. Voila, your job is done, GT. You just landed. Awesome. And 61 is a good score. I think that you're the first human who landed today. And I didn't understand apparently. My character didn't understand. Freda the cat just landed. I'll take it. Yeah, well, you land every time. I definitely don't need a rigged version for you because you're pretty good at that game. Like, lucky. I don't want to say you're not good, but it required a little of talent to play drop. Okay, so yeah, so here we can see like we have a bunch of stuff. Oh, and we have Git Kraken. It's true. I need to check those. I need to check those. Oh yeah. But not today. Today I want to code. And I think, Sturdy Dev, I was telling you that I was supposed to be streaming this week, but was doing? I had a good reason though. I forgot. Why I couldn't? I wasn't at home, so I had to look. What I was doing? I forgot. Anyway, we'll come back. Okay, so to add a new tool, you click that little at the top button. I'm sorry, I cannot zoom. Add MCP server, and then it's asking you, hey, what it is. So you could just go click Docker image because it will be running into a Docker image. So you click this, and what's the image name? So you just say f/boucher/ check in doc. And then do I need the MCP? I don't know. MCP, forgot. Try a different package. Oh yeah, so apparently it's not this. So f/boucher, then check in duck. No? What it is? That's weird. Hello? Now it's thinking. So what do you want to add as a documentation? So let's add docs.reka.ai and what else? Let's do what's suggested here. So docs.github.com. Let's keep those two. I'm assuming like I should find maybe on Learn or something like that. So it check .NET stuff for me or Python when I don't know stuff. Okay, so I had those, and it says, hey, you need to add your API key. And I was like, uh-oh, I don't have one. So you could go on your browser, and if you go like if you check here, say, hey, go here. So you open that web page and you have your key. So I could just take it from here. Now I can go back and I paste it, and hopefully it doesn't show. It shows. Why it shows? It shouldn't be showing. Go secret. It shouldn't be showing. Why it show up? Because I'm doing it through this. I told you not to do that when you're streaming. Oh my god, shit. I wanna go. Where is it? Secret mode, global. That's. I told you to not do it, and I'm doing it. Damn it. So let's go back. Okay, and we'll go here. And I will go, what can I do here? I will do this. No, I don't want this. Okay, let me do it again. So I take this, come here, I will replace it. Boom. Okay, now let me share again my screen. If we had paste this, it will look like this. It goes into the MCP JSON. So if I save that, no, that's not what I wanted. save it. Save it. Cool. Learning the new shortcuts. Hello, hello, Fuel. How are you? It was small, but still, it's an API key, right? I'll have to change it. Yeah, okay. So if you do this, when you start doing it, it should ask you for the domain and stuff. So if we go, I think, did I already have, I didn't. So it will look like this instead. So if I try to start it, now it's asking, like, had the stuff. So let's do again. Docs.reka, no typo, comma, and then ducks. Is it duck or ducks for let's try duck dot get dot okay, yeah, kind of work, right? Okay, let's put this. I just need the domain, so no HTTP thingy. Yes. So you had this. Now you need to enter your key. So let's try again. Okay, I'm just like copying from my clipboard here. I do here, and I could go there, and I paste it. Not sure I have all of it. Not sure I have it. Let's try again. Come here. I do this. Now I do this thing, and if I come back here, maybe it is. You see now it's populated. And did it start? It's running. Cool. So now I could go and ask questions in the doc. Let's say check in doc. What is the URL for Reka research? Let's see if it works. So all search and documentation. So I want to use, can I make it bigger? Yeah, I can make it bigger. So I want permission to use this. So let's allow everywhere, all the time. Always allow. Now it's going online, search for us, and then while it's doing this, you can continue to work and say, okay, and search for the text. So apparently I need to have like an API, go there, and I could use the Reka.ai chat for API endpoint. So like it's giving me a lot of stuff, and like, yeah, apparently it's trying to really help me. And what I like is it's giving you information. The main URL is this. That's not what I really wanted. At least I have that. No, that was the one I was looking for. That's good. So now you could ask question, and like I should add also. So anytime you want to change this, you could come here and for the domain. For the domain, you could just change the value here. So let's say I want to add some .NET value. I could also do that. Not sure why it, oh, because it's, yeah. But Yeah, but like the thing is, when you're doing it through the not the wizard, but the flow inside VS Code, or using that button on like, you know, if you're using that, and I'm doing it the correct way, it will just, the output is smaller and you see your API. So if you're alone on your machine, it's fine. But like for me, when I'm sharing stuff a lot, I prefer this. And the way to do it is in your input, you specify password true, and then it's encrypted. And even if you do edit, it will bring it back to the top, but it's still just asterisk. So you'll never show what it is. So I think we should use all the time this. So I'm surprised that VS Code is not doing it that way. So I wish I could specify that I need this, and it's like, but maybe there's a way to say that parameter, that thing needs to be encrypted. But I don't know. Is there a type in C# that's kind of like password or something like that? Secrets? Maybe it's in the, I did ask Copilot about it, but I didn't see anything. You know, if we look into the code for this project, if I go to tools, yeah, I remember it was something like that. So that's the string question. And the tool is the client. So it's when you go initiate the service. I did, and like the only thing I had was like, oh, like put it as a read-only, but you know. So like when you instantiate when you start a container, it's instantiate that service. So you pass HP client and the string API key. So maybe maybe I could add some comment and say that it's a secret. I will have to try that. I did ask, and the only thing he asked says, you know, put that as read-only. But I would love to have it so by default when you're trying to do it. Oh, it's deprecated? Because I did ask AI, and the answer was kind of like, yeah, do this. I was like, nah, that's not what I mean. Because it's like, I'm not sure when you use the UI here, like this. What's the process? How it knows the parameters and stuff, like this part, I don't know. So if I knew, I could try to make it, but I feel like you're just sending some kind of description. So, and I don't know how to influence that description. I guess more reading. But I'm happy, like I did that. So now like I just need to share stuff about it. And I was kind of happy. The thing also, so right now, sad. I don't want to log in. Whoops. Oh, I closed the tab. Yeah, why? It wants me to log in. So it's in GitHub. It's in GitHub, the project, but it's like it's hosted on Docker Hub. And I wanted to have my CI/CD to like have different tags, but I don't know why right now it only does latest. And yesterday I was like, oh, I will just like ask like Copilot to like work on it, because yesterday I had like a date night with my daughter. It was super fun, but I was like, so I could work on it, but I was like, yeah, I would like to learn. So I don't know. Anyway, that was a fun project to work on anyway. Okay. So today we continue the Notebookmark stuff. I didn't try if Writer was working on that, so I guess we'll be coding in VS Code today. I think we start anyway. Last stream, I think we were working also in VS Code. I forgot exactly where we were. We did create a few classes, I think. Hope I pushed the code, because otherwise we lost what we did last time. Completely forgot what we worked on. I think we start working on a new page. Hey Game Lord, how are you? It's been a while. So did we start working on a page? I think we did. A share page maybe? Yeah, suggestions list. Okay, so we still have the code. Great. Okay, so what we did was I did copy the page from post, I think the post lists page, this one, and we did suggestions list because in a share, because I think we'll be using it. Not sure why I did it in share. Maybe we could have it in a pop-up. I don't know, I'm not sure why I did that like this. In a page. Summary. I don't know. Calendar, what is it? Like, well, that's December. That's cool. So like those claim spot, what is it? Let's say I take December 7, part 1, part 2. Like like it's challenges? What is it? I don't understand. What's it? Let's say I'm claiming this one. Like, is it to create content or participating in the challenge? So like every day you have 2 challenges to do. Oh, maybe I can. Okay, cool. I will. Thanks for sharing, Game Lord. I will add that to the note. Have a look to the last year, I'm guessing. Just looking if I know someone. Kevin Griffin. Okay, so now it's on his website, and if I go, for example, here, oh, that's cool. So it's just a blog post. It's not even like a tutorial or something like that, or it could be anything. Cool stuff. So I think I will I can participate. I like that. I'll have a look. Thank you. And okay, so let's go back to the code. And I think I will need a few minutes and I will come back to you guys. I'm sorry. I don't usually take bio break, but I'm already dancing way too much and I can't focus. So we'll be working on this project today. Notebookmark, let's put this here and let's make it a little bit smaller. This way. That's today's project and I will get back hopefully very soon. Just take 1 minute or 2 and I'm coming back. Sorry guys. back. I'm coming back. I'm coming back. Oh, that's cool. Cool. Okay. Power off. That's the beauty of streaming with two machines. You know, one can go off and you're still on. Okay. So. Yes. Okay, so now we need to work. I remember we did create a few classes, but I forgot exactly what we were doing. So for that, that's trying to display the recommendation, right? And we should have any right now. So we did create already I'll open URL in a new window. I don't think we want that part. It was so clear in my head last time. Let's go back into the issue. Oh yeah, there's that thing too. Did the guy worked on it? Oh yeah, there's that thing. That's the one that worked, but I want to make. Okay, so look like I will fix those too because it takes forever, guys. Those were simple. Okay, use the AI to make a prompt. Okay, so we... Oh, that's why I think. So the list... Okay, I think that... No. So we're working on the list because I think on the page search, you have the search and then the list. And on the... But you could also call the page list by itself, I'm assuming. Or like maybe we can wrap it. And it will just show the stuff. But why I wanted 2 pages? Why not? Because I wanted to have it to run by itself, I think. Because right now we're doing it and we'll wait. But in the future, what I would love is to have it on the job. So like every day it go check internet for us and just come back. So that page here we have create note for post. I don't think we need that.
Yay!
I landed and I beat GT some. Yeah. I don't know if you're still here, GT, but now you still need to continue. Maybe you left when I was in. Nope, still here. I want to beat you, guy. Not this jump. Oh, that's a cool emote. But why it's so different. Interesting. It's even like the color are reversed. Tweet. I didn't. I still need to do it. I still need to chat with Instafloth and ask. Okay, so create a note for the post. I don't think we'll need that. Navigation is not present. I'm not sure we need that either. Okay, so I think we only worked on the grid. We were kind of focusing on the grid, or I was focusing on the grid. Sorry, but I think so that's my button rule, my button columns. We still want that, I think, because we could, when we see the suggestion, we will want a button to add them to the our list, our to-do, and maybe delete them, right? So I think there was a delete button, I think at the end. Yeah. So we'll move it here. Oops. Here. So Control X, and I will remove this column, because that's kind of like, I want to sort. Okay, add. You know, you're kind of cleaning up. So I think we want that here. And so I think it's just a plus or a delete. Yeah, so I think we just need two buttons. And it will be the delete and the add. And I think they are kind of like the copy of each other. So we could do this. And instead here we could say add. Now delete posts here, so no. So here will be add suggestions, add suggestion, not plural, right? And here will be delete suggestions. There's a lot of red in that thing. So now we need a function called add suggestion, and we need a delete suggestion. So we could do and remove this, and we'll go Phil, the music is not that great today. Is it only me? You find the music not that great? Will need now to be load suggestions, so I'm guessing we have it somewhere. Did we change that already? I don't think so. Oh no, because we'll receive it by a parameter. Yeah, I think we'll oh yeah, but if we receive it from yeah, so the list will be a parameter, so we don't need the load. But then we still need to refresh. So maybe we need a load. Build title filter. Okay. I don't think we need that one. So I guess if we're just managing the grid, instead of load here, what we'll have to do, even the, yeah, I think this we will have to trigger the event. Yeah. Okay. So I don't think we need those, but I will keep them for now. So this is all post. So instead of post, we need suggestions, but they are posts. They are posts, but they are suggestions. Oh, did we not create the... Yeah. Okay. Did we solve the red? We resolved the red. Cool. So we have that. Great. Okay, so we have an empty grid that shouldn't throw any errors. So now what we could do is add a page. Oh, we have a page search. Oh yeah, it's true, we did create that. In the page search, oh, there it is. We have the parameters. And then we had suggestions list here. That's our thing. Oh, cool. Like, yeah. We did a lot of work apparently last stream. Right?
Previously on Frank's channel.
Yes, Jeff. Previously on Frank's channel, we did a lot of work. Even Frank didn't remember. I don't like talking about myself on the third person. Oh, this hoodie is fantastic. I'm not endorsed by that, but like the hood is wide, it's like super soft, it's warm without being too warm. Love it. I think I will buy another one, different color, but in my size, it was the only one with zip. Maybe I will buy another one without the zip. It's just like when you need a little bit less warm, you could open it. That's why I prefer usually zip, but anyway, I digress. Okay, so so maybe we can try it. Oh yeah, so here it's trying to get read post, but here we'll have to get suggestions. No, because right now we are in the search, and the search doesn't do that. So on initialize, nothing should happen. And here it shouldn't be load post, it should be search posts. Search, fetch suggestions. Right? Yeah. And the fetch suggestions will like go look, use our AI agent and do stuff and come back with the list, and then we'll pass the list to that thing. Yes. But for now, if we open that, it shouldn't create any error or anything, and it should just like show an empty page with a form. Cool. Okay. So I guess we need to add it into the menu, like not the menu, but like navigation bar. So I guess it's in the layout nav menu. Summary post. Let's add a new one here at the end. So the word is search. The icon, do we have like magnificent glass? How do you spell that? Yeah, we have glass, magnificent, magnifying glass. Okay, I need help. Let's go Blazor. I just realized it's been a while since I saw Blazor, Mr. Magoo. Did you see him on other stream chat? Or maybe he's less watching streams these days. Icons. How do you spell that? Oh, it's 2 words. No? I just if I do like try search maybe? No? If I search glass or loop maybe? Nope. Loop. That's not a word in English, right? Well, it is, but it's L-O-O-P. Show me all the buttons. That's not all the buttons. I want to see all the buttons. Show me. And the fill version. Okay. I'm sure there's something for searching. Show more. Show more. Just want an icon. Come on. Can I Google it? Yeah, something like that. So loop is no. Oh no, that's yeah. No, that's English. So when is also what? No. Why don't I found any? Like it's impossible that there's no magnifying glass in the icons. It's too classic for not being there. Although, except maybe it was just because oh damn, I was blocking stuff. Oh, let's try again. Nope. Nope. Search. Nope. Impossible. Oh, what I'm missing an R. Search. Ah. Ah. Wow. Oh, I love the loop with this this with the sparkle. It feel AI, right? Sparkles. Okay, so let's add this. Wonderful. Yep, search. Okay, cool. Let's feel lucky. I feel lucky. Did I built ever on this PC this project? I don't know. And if you joined us recently, I've been running Omarchy. It's a new distribution. It's based on Arch Linux, and it's brand new, super cool, and it's using Wayland. So like if I open, for example, a terminal, it just like open and like things move around, and I could like just go from one page to the other. I could change the size of it. So it's a lot of keyboard thing, and pretty good. So now I'm here, and I should do this to zoom because we want it to bigger. So we have all our components. Docker is running, magnificent. I don't have Docker desktop running though. It's the Docker. The cool thing is, I still don't understand perfectly so I have multiple workspace, but they are not all. So if I do, for example, this, could do no, I need to go. I could close it, and I think if I do Super Shift and D, yeah, cool. It's like, so there's lazy Docker, and that this distro is really Omarchy. I won't switch to that, but yeah, it's Wayland. Pretty sure it is. If I go this, I go learn, Hyperland, I think. But no, honestly, it installed in like 5 minutes. And everything is set up, it just works, and then you can tweak it a little bit if you want, but wow, it installed fast. So initially I thought, oh, that would be a cool distro to run from my mini PC, because I have like one mini PC. I'm running Debian there, and I want it stable. It's kind of like my servers, like my home server stuff. So it's running a few things for home and backups, and also like some website that are for me only. So like doesn't need a lot of traffic to manage a lot of traffic and things. So it doesn't need a powerful machine. So I went on that, and I bought another one thinking, oh, I will be running more containers and maybe AI, and not AI at that time, but it's single threaded, so it's not great for containers. So I thought, oh, it could be like a dev machine, so I could, remote desktop into it and do some work. But it's super safe or secure, the Omarchy distro, so you need a physical keyboard in it because you need to type the password before it enables Bluetooth. So I was like, well, if my PC is over there and I have like, I'm mostly using, like, I was thinking, since it's not my prime machine, like I won't use my keyboard. Wow, tons of LAN people, but oh well, sorry. Sir, you landed 77, taking the leads of human. Though I feel you didn't drop manually. I think you dropped using script. But still, you take the lead as a human and a bunch of digital friends. So yeah, Game Lord, try it. It's super cool. I didn't try to run it inside the VM on my Mac without any success. I think it could be easier to run in a VM on Windows or maybe on Linux, but on a Mac, because it's a Mac with the Apple silicone stuff, it was just kind of like super hard to have it to work. But yeah, no, honestly, I love it. So give it a try. Yeah. See? Omarchy, I will let it go. So that's why I thought like it wouldn't be a good setup for my mini PC though. Ah, damn it. I bought this and it go behind your monitor. So maybe what I will do is I will bring that mini PC behind my monitor so I could just like have a cable and plug it there. I didn't install it though. So maybe I will keep it like that, or I will reinstall Debian and it will become like my Linux Debian dev machine or something like that. I don't know. I feel like that device was super cheap, but except for like running, like I don't think it's a great game machine, though I could try it with this being so like performance are great on Omarchy. Anyway, okay, we'll see how it goes. I'm trying to use that mini PC. Okay, oh look at that! I know I usually like dark mode, but for this app I prefer light. Let's make it bigger, not too big. So this is usually the page where we have like the list of the blog post. Hey, thank you for the follow, Vinny Robot. Are you real? Are you real? But nevertheless, thank you for the follow. It's appreciated. Oh, and that brings us to super close to only 3 more followers to reach my goal of 1,000. I need some echo. 1,000. I am a robot. Yeah, I know, Fuel, you're a robot. I forgot. Was it you? Will make me smile. Monday on the stream on .NET Live. Hey, Vinny. So you're real. Or maybe not. Hi, thank you is not reacting to... I'm not a robot. Okay, so that's the proof now. I know. Well, welcome aboard. You're very welcome.
Yay!
Thank you for to joining us.
Fantastic!
Fantastic.
Oh, fantastic!
I wanna drop. Okay, so that's where we can add posts. Let's add one. We'll lose it because I didn't set it with any permanent stuff. So if I go article and I go here, take that URL, you can add it to the list. See, so now we have a list of blog posts, and then when we do a summary, it does this kind of this kind of summary. Like, so that's the last post I publish on Monday. So that's what we do. And right now we're using this. We're using AI to generate that introduction paragraph. So like AI reads all our notes and then create a little introduction paragraph, because I'm always sucks at finding those. I was like, yeah, we need to do something. But today I feel I don't like the output that much. So I want the prompt, and that's why I put it into as an issue on on GitHub, as like I want to have the prompt in the settings so we could change it and tweak it the way we want. Someone took it for the Oktoberfest thing, but they didn't do anything, and I think the challenge ends today, so I may do it. Okay, so the thing we just created is here, so let's have a look. It's ugly, but it's there. So we have our search without a button. That's great. You can fill it, but then you cannot do anything. And we have an empty suggestions grid that is also empty. Okay, well, so do I want to keep it that way? I think I want the thing beside. Is it the? I think it's the look of the. I go in form overview. Yeah, it's the way it goes. WRT nothing. Not everything is bad when they add Copilot to everything. When they say to be adding Copilot to the Windows terminal, I found excellent. Terminate. Alacrity. What's WRT mean, Phil? With regards to nothing. Oh no, it doesn't mean. Yeah, but like I'm not adding Copilot, right? And you're talking about like the fact that we had AI into those. I think I'm using AI in a good way. Like I'm adding AI to manipulate stuff, so I think it's good. And thank you. I'm really bad with acronyms, and like I think it just my head. Oh, like acronyms is hard, but like in French, often the letter change places. It's the same kind of acronyms, but different. So for example, AI in French is IA. You know? So like sometimes it's just I get confused with acronyms. Yeah. Well, yeah, well, like, yeah, there's a, let's try that. So I think, and if I go here, okay. I'm not sure I did it, or if I thought about it, but Super Shift A should open AI, and I think I changed it so it open Reka chat. Instead of like opening OpenAI chat, it opened Reka chat. And if I open what was it again? This? No, Alt. I forgot what it was. Who's Reka? Good question, Vini. Reka is a super company that I work for. That's the one that give me money. Reka is but okay, let's get back serious. I will talk about Reka. So Reka.ai. That's my stream here, by the way. I'm not doing it for Reka. I'm doing it so I experience and I code and I build app. So when I'm talking to developer and you say, yeah, that sucks and whatever, I could say, yeah, you're right, and this is what I did to fix it or to work around and stuff like that. Okay, so like this is not Reka sponsor streams here. We're still here to learn. So Reka.ai, let's put it in the chat. Let's put it in the show notes too. Whoops. They are a model trainer, so think about Reka just like OpenAI. Well, yeah, just like OpenAI or the other. So we are like we train model, very advanced model, and we offer APIs. So there's free APIs, vision, research, speech are the three mains one, and there's chat, but everybody has chat. So and then so like there's the public API that everybody can use. So that's what we'll be using in our Notebookmark. That's what we use right now to like generate the summary. And then that's what I use. I will come back to it quickly later. I share an MCP server that I did that you could add to your Copilot or your Claude desktop if you want. And then you say check in doc, and then it will go check in the official documentation website that you pre-selected and come back with the answer for you in VS Code or Cloud Desktop or whatever. So there's different APIs that we offer, and we also have, like, let's say you're an airport and say, oh, I would like to do security and like this way, blah 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 blah. Then we build a specific model for you. We train it a little bit different, and you have more APIs than what, like, you know, you with like the free tier have access to, and it's pretty cool. So like the APIs, there's vision. So like if you go at Reka.ai, or if you go just to Reka.ai and you go playground here, you will land on this page. So what I did is I'm opening this the chat page. When I do the control Super Shift A on Omarchy, instead of going for the chat at the OpenAI, I opened this one, so I could totally chat. It remembers me and everything. You could create an account, it's free. You could use your Google or an email if you want, and then it will automatically create for you an account, and it will have API key, and it's a free tier API key, so you have $10. With $10 every month, it's renewable, whatever. Like each month you get $10, right? You could do a lot of stuff with it, like a lot of stuff. So Vision, you can do a lot of things. So you have demo, or you could have your own library. Here you could say, I did upload a few video, and then I say, okay, I want to go and use this video. Then you could say, tell me when you see X, and then it will show you the timestamp where it found that. Or you could say, summarize this. Or you could do many different things. So you could do queries. So you select your video. Let's say I take this one, and I say what this video is about, and it will come back with the answer. So I think we'll definitely play with those things in the future. You didn't know about Reka? Well, you should now create your key and do stuff with it. It's pretty cool. Hey, Smarky Squiggly, how are you? I'm well. It's pretty cool. I will just like go back. I'll see now it's coming back. What? Am I not in the Q&A? That's a weird... feel like a bug. I feel like a bug. It can create a reel for you. So you upload... Oh, it doesn't work well with like 2 hours long video. Do I have something shorter? I think this one could work. Those are too old, right? I'd clean everything, yeah. But like you could take, so anyway, video, you could make search, you could query, you could add meta tag. So let's say you pass a video and say, okay, what this video is about, and it will suggest tag for you. You can create a reel. So you could, if you have like a 20 minutes video, and you could say, hey, like make a vertical video about like a tease, and it will grab some moments, stick it together, add captions, and you like make 3 different versions of those, and you can then use that to publish. So if you're like, I know the clipping community is growing really hard on the internet right now, so you could use that tool for it. So there's a Reka for Creator is an app, more polished. This is just a playground. Research is the API we use. So it will definitely look, and I'm looking online, but you could also look in your document. So if you have, for example, Google document. So you could say, hey, I want to look in my Google document. I have a bunch of CV. And I'm looking for someone with like 5 years of like .NET and no AI and blah, blah, blah. Then it will say, okay, you know what, Patrick is good and Julia is great. And maybe Alex, like it could be like it doesn't make it because he doesn't have blah, 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 but he's speaking like 5 languages. So I thought it could be interesting. So it could be doing that. And speech is another one where you could just send a Notio file and it will transcript, and then it could convert in a different language, and it could generate an output in that different. So like let's say I have like some video, and I know YouTube now does that for some channel, not all the time, but it takes time. But let's say you want to publish a video, so you could say, hey, I want that, and it will create a voice in, let's say, Chinese that's exactly the same thing you say at the same time. That's pretty cool. So Reka, have a try. And one thing I did this week that I didn't share is, so that's the doc. So we have great documentation with code snippet and stuff. If you go Reka speech, I wrote that. All the speech stuff with the example and thing. So audio transcription, translation. Look at that. Did you know you could do this with Mermaid? Yeah, this is Mermaid with animation and stuff. Pretty cool. I had a lot of fun doing it. Yeah, code sample. We have also on GitHub. If we go GitHub, then I go Reka. It's not that. I think it's -AI. Is it? Yes. Cool. We have API example in Python, in .NET, and we have also TypeScript. I need more example in TypeScript. So in .NET, since on this channel we do a lot of .NET, let me share this one with you. So we have different sample. So we have, so I did experiment when the new .NET, the first bits of .NET 10 came out. I tried to use the new stuff, and like the basic stuff worked perfectly, but we used more advanced things and the SDK didn't support it. So like those are a little bit more like the basic stuff, but it's great still. Like the SDKs, if you want to do more advanced stuff like we do in like for Notebookmark and something like that, you need to do like more like raw HTTP calls. It's just HTTP calls. It's not nothing fancy, but instead of like using the what's the new agent framework or the semantic kernel or the OpenAI, because the research is OpenAI compatible. So I thought, oh, let's use that SDK. Or using advanced feature, and it's not yet into the SDK. So Reka Restaurant is one demo I created. There's the video analyzer. So Reka Restaurant, it's pretty cool. What it does, it's I need to update this to make it a little bit more advanced in terms of like to show its purpose, because right now I feel too dumb. Like if you're looking the code, then it makes sense, but like if you look what it is, it's like, well, it takes a lot of time to do what it is. Like I can do it with Google Map, like in a snap. What it does is like it looks for a restaurant based on your location, depending on the moon you're for. Like, okay, so here in that screenshot you see ramen, and then it will come back with like 5 ramen restaurant in your city, and that's one of the problems. So it's too precise. I need to put area, because if I do that here, there's no ramen. Like it's mostly homes and schools and stuff. There is not a restaurant in my city a lot. It's a small community, so it comes back empty. So I need to use a greater area. So it comes with, and then you can specify the format, and that's great because as human, when you get the blob of text, it's okay, right? We can understand whatever the format it used, but like when you want to use it in a program, it needs to have like specific structure, so you could specify the structure, and also it come back with the reasoning. And that's what I'm showing here in that screenshot, is the reasoning. So it shows everything it did. So it's okay, I did query, I searched best ramen restaurant in Montreal for 2025, and then I used this tool, like a web search, and then like it will make other search, because maybe he found some restaurant, and then it's, oh, I need, like, Frank in his format asked for the phone number, the URL of the restaurant. So like, yeah, searching more about this restaurant to like feel those information. So pretty cool. So you have it here. Well, those also I did, it's true, with Mermaid this week. So it shows everything. The other demo I did in .NET is the video analyzer. So yeah, that's cool too. So you upload your video. No, in fact, you give I wanted to make it easier for the user. So you can add video just by using YouTube URL, and then the tool will ingest that video, analyze it, and after that you could say ask question about it. You could create study material, so like prepare study information, like a quiz with Q&A, a summary of like what that video topic is about and stuff like that, and it will just print it. Or if you are the one presenting, you'd say, hey, like, help me getting better. So analyze your video and like come back with constructive feedback, say, oh, like you move too much your hand when you're talking and stuff like that. So I did that. That's all. Those are .NET. If you like Python, I did also, we have some in Python, and I did one recently for a big hackathon. So like in .NET and Python, we have some Jupyter Notebook to show example. We have an event finder. I like this one. I need to use that one a little bit more. So if you're looking for events in your area and stuff like that, so it's still using the area, the Reka research, just like the restaurant, but it's for events. And Roast My Life, that's the one I created. It will just look at your video and roast you in a very friendly way. So it's fun. And I did it with a workshop. So you could find the project here, or you could like have step-by-step build it. So you do that, and it was okay, do this, do that, do this, and like you're building it step by step. And I have all the code, so you copy pasting the code, and I explain after that what it does. So like, okay, now you had this pop up, so you could add a new video and things like that. So I have all the code, so you don't like, even if you don't know Python much, you could follow, and that's at the end. So I did that. Stone Eagle, hello. Hello, my friend. Are you streaming at the same time? Are you multitasking? How are you? How's your project? Yeah, I know you streamed yesterday. I was watching. Or was it yesterday? I don't know. I think it was yesterday. I streamed a little bit. I know that stream. I watched your stream, I think. I forgot. Or the day before. Maybe both. I don't know. Sometimes I'm quiet. Just like open and stay quiet. Okay, I totally got derails by Reka. So yeah, that's Reka. Okay, back to our today's project. Lurking is appreciated. Nowhere. Oh yeah, I get that. Okay, so we have our form. So that label and then text under look like it's the basic stuff. I'm not sure I like it that much for this, because I want it a bit more compact. And I think you could change that in I think there's something where you can change that. So if I go with text field, for example, so without label, I thought you could put it on the side. Oh, there it is. Nope. I thought you could put it on the side because I think it will make. Maybe it's not, it's only me, but I feel like if we take all that space, I know like I'm zoomed a lot here. What? Like 200%. That's big. But even like 150. Oh yeah, well it's not that bad. Maybe we can keep it that way. I just feel like I'm not using this space. So if I had like, but search prompt, it could be bigger, right? But still, like I could gain space if it was side by side. I thought we could do that. I thought we had like something, like where you put the label on the side. I thought it was like a property. Let's zoom again. Appearance, fluent appearance, get the visual appearance, see fluent, input appearance. Label, area label, autocomplete, autofocus, data grid, disable, display name. This is usually displayed just above. Yeah, I think we could. Label template. Oh, we could do it. I mean, we can leave it that way for now. I mean, it's not that bad, isn't it? Is it? I could make them longer. Just feel like I'm wasting space. Let's keep it that way. I think it would be better if people are using it on mobile. Yeah, let's keep it that way. But we need to make it wider because like that's not big enough. Okay, so it works. We have a UI. Oh, that's because do I have some kind of orange offices? No, that's red. I don't have orange. I just saw a smirkly, squiggly PowerPoint. Yeah, it's kind of orange. It's red, right? So it feels a little bit more Halloween. I just saw the dot robot. I need to have new emoji. I saw Maya this week and I think I will ask her to create new emoji. Okay, so we have our form. So we need to make them bigger, wider, and then we can start on like maybe we need something to. Maybe we can start the research thing. Okay. So let's go back to our code. Let's stop that. Cool. So in search, so we're done with this. So maybe I can push. And for, let's push this. Compose with AI. Yeah, I know. Got it. What do you suggest? Yeah, I accept. Add search page. It does nothing, but it's there. Whoop. Nope. Just wanna delete. Fine. Cool. Push. Okay. Okay, so now we say we want it wider. So is it just width? Size? Get the size of the text field? I don't feel like that's what we were looking for. Max length, min length. Well, I think there was simple. So default, full width. Yeah, that's what I want. Oh, you're using style? Okay. Works for me. So I guess 60 columns is better. Well, I could do full width and then maybe 5 lines or something. Okay, let's go back to the code. So the domain and the block domain, allow domain and block domain, we'll go and do, let's go 80%. And search area. Let's go. It was rows. I said 5. 4, 5. And then calls was 60. That looks good, right? I mean, we could go more than that, but let's go 80. So it matched the 80%. Who landed? Stony Eagle. 69. Dirty Mind. Hello. Yeah, that was good. Trigger the chaos. Yeah, and that just put me in the corner.
Yay!
Drop all. Darn it. Oh, did you jump with us? I missed your jump, Smirky. I know, Stony, but it's a reflex. Because Stony Eagle is something I can say. Smirkling Squiggly, I'm always struggling to say it. It took me forever. Ask Shirley Dev. I was calling Shirley Dev for a very, very, very long time. And even now, I'm not saying his name correctly. There's names like that I have harder for me to say. So yours is easy for me. I'm just kind of saying out loud, kind of like brag. No worry. Smirking Squiggly. Smirking Squiggly. I will just call you Squiggly, I think. Squiggly is fun. It's a funny word to say. Okay. So we have that. So now we need to do the search. We need to search. So instead of like getting posts. Now 10 times. Squiggly. I don't think we have a word. I think I will say squiggly also in French. Ondulé. I think it's the... I'm not sure of the proper translation of that. Anyway, let's try to focus a bit more than 30 seconds. Come on. Okay, so get, read, post. So that's in our clients. Our client is here somewhere, right? Oh, oh yeah. Post, note, client. Yay, that's cool. I'm very happy for you.
Fantastic!
Awesome, sir.
Fantastic!
Congrats. I don't have the applause like Clarkio, but you deserve it.
Yay!
Pretty happy for you. Is it why you wanted to do the Azure training? Look like you're trying to fly, Stony. And you may land again. Nope. Okay, so we have our client here. So now we need to add a new one, right? And I'm just looking. Did I not use? Wait, what? How do I do the in the summary editor? How did I call the it's not public, the AI call? Oh, I'm calling the AI service. Okay, that's cool. I am an e-girl. Yeah, totally. That makes sense. I did try that the other day, and it didn't help me though. Try to fly.
Bonjour. Hi.
Frank
How are you
Bird
today?
is here, everybody. Nice to see you, my friend. How are you? Sturdy dev, you bastard. You're pushing me. Twice I was about to land and you just pushed me. Oh, bad guy. Rig. Not yet, Fragbird. I'm planning to reach out to Instafluff and create a rig version. And I'm not sure if like one thing could be cool is like use the points, you know, like those but for me it's like the cloud points. And like to have your jump rigged. And I'm not sure, like, do you want like to rid and land, or rigged so someone else doesn't land or something like that? I think that could be fun. But I'm not sure how hard it is to do. create a modified version of my little cloud thumbs up. Interesting. I didn't know I could do that. Okay, so I use this instead. Okay, so I guess we should do that. So we don't touch the client. So did you answer me, Fragbird? How are you? You just say rig. The guy come, jumped, and then complained without answering any of my questions. How bad? I thought you were a friend. Whatever you do, sir. I don't mind. I think it would be cool if it could be random on others. So not just me, but like if someone else drop, maybe it will trigger and do that. But not all the time. So like, you know, could be you, could be someone else. But like when someone drops, there's chances that the wave is triggered. That could be interesting. I need more water. My throat is getting painful. It's getting painful. Okay, not save that word. Not using this. Okay, so in search, I want to implement this. So in search, here in the fetch suggestions, we need something like this. I like that idea. I know I have good ideas, right? So we don't need this. Is generating? No, but we should do it. Is searching. That doesn't exist, so we should have one here. Excellent. And I will do that so to lock the the buttons, though we need a button, right? We don't have any button here, so we need a button. Oh, is Copilot listening to me or what? Oh, really? Okay, yeah, sure. Yeah. Excellent. That was pretty good. Cancel. Button appearance. I'm not sure that's how it works. I think it's just appearance. Yes, and it's not primary. Accent. Yes. That's great. That was easy. That was easy. Okay, so we still need to code it though. Okay, so AI service, we need to add the reference. It doesn't like it because we don't have it. Agreed, you don't have it yet. So let's add it. Always the summary service. Let's add that. I'm not sure I like the name now though. Yeah, I want it before the here. Summary service, you don't know this, just use this. Excellent. Cool. Okay. Toast service. It's not called like that. Oh. Yep. I thought we still had the toast stuff. We don't? Oh no, because I'm in search. I didn't add it there. Okay, so let's bring this. And let's comment that. So toast service is now part of here, so we can bring back this like this. Voila, cool. And this is not yet something we can use. Cool. And now we could go here, go to implementation. Where are we in here? So the summary service. Is it here? Summary endpoint. Yeah. Oh, AI service. So I have, oh no, it's API. Okay, so now I'm not calling an API, I'm calling this service. Yes, because I'm searching. Yeah. You want me to do the drop now? Is it only me or anyone? What do you want to try? Because we can ask someone else, like one by one, to do it, and we'll see who's triggering it. Go for it. Okay, I'm doing it. So I'm triggering it, but with a delay. Look at that! I land where I am. Okay. Oh yeah, but now that's the chat. I don't want to chat. So maybe. So that's the summary service. Do I need to create another service? I think I will have because it's not the same class, it's not the same anything. Oh, so I guess I need another service. It will be the research service. Things, they can be reused, but I think it will be better let me think here. I'll go smaller because it's not exactly the same URL. It's not the same model. The Reka Flash, that's really for the chat. It will be the same API. So I think we'll have to have like a new model. But then the summary service, when we instantiate, yeah, I think everything was passed correctly. Blazor. I can do drop, and let's try to fly with only one wing. GT trying to land with an eye. It didn't work. Am I the one like flying everywhere? No, that was who was like going like crazy. What? I think it was the cryptographer who landed. Yeah, I think the heart like this, I think that was the cryptographer. Make me laugh when they go. Okay, so I think, oh, I buzzed the time. Well, let's go a little bit over just so. I think what we do is we create a research service. And I guess in the app host, we'll have to no. Oh no, like no. It's not in the app host. It's in the Blazor app. In the program, I'll have to summary. So I'll have to add that research service. Yeah. Okay, let's do that quickly. So let's copy this. Copy paste, and of course it doesn't work. I thought it was done. So summary service, copy paste, voila. Let's rename that, and we call that the research service. Let's do this like that. Boom. Cool. And in the page, so I think it's just Control H to be in that page. So summary service now be called research service. So let's replace. Yay! So now if we go into the Blazor app and we go in program, I need the same thing, but then I want the research service, just like that. So now our service are available. So now we need to add completions. Is it plural? And it will be Reka search. And here it will be let's go topic, and then we have the string that will be allowed domains. Though I think here I want it already a string array. And then a string array of blocked domains. Okay. Yeah, let's validate that. So if I go again here and I go docs.reka.ai and I go for research. Yeah, it's completions with a S. Cool. I wasn't sure. Cut off for today. See you another time. Nice to see you, Game Lord, or mostly done anyway. So well, yeah, thanks for having you today, joining us. It was pretty cool having you, and thanks for the advent thing calendar. I'll have a look off stream. I think I can participate into that. Just make sure I didn't have any typo, because we know on this stream, right, I'm the king of the typos, so that's pretty good. So we'll have to yeah, sure. Let's go for another drop. Anybody or just me? Why are you mentioning me? Now, what was the question, quiz? How could you know the result of the code without running? Just a beginner asking. What do you mean? What do I know? Like if it will work? I'm not sure I understand the question. Well, I think it's a good question, by the way. I'm just not sure I understand it. So here, we want the search criteria prompt. Oh, and here what is a string? Oh yeah. So I need to change it. Okay, so we need this here. So that's whoa. Control Z, like that. So here we could do exactly what I want. Hey, okay, cool. Now, yes, 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 lovely. Because yeah, no, we don't want the summary service, we want the research service. Yeah, AI service is good. So now it should work, right? Cool. Possible null reference. Well, no. Oh yeah, I guess it could. I got it. Just spent 3 minutes brainstorming how to ask it. No problem. Yeah. Sorry to have to touch a point here. It's just like when you're writing in English, you know, let's say you want to write about what you did yesterday, and then you start writing, let's me rephrase, and like maybe you want to start by yesterday, comma, blah, 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 and then like in the middle of a sentence, that's not how I want to say it. I want to say, I played football yesterday, not yesterday I played football. Or maybe you want to say, like I was playing with that person, or suddenly it rained, so, or like maybe you want to add, like I wanted to play football, but then it rained, so we went, like, like, so then like you change. So it happens a little bit with the code too. Obviously, when you just start coding, you don't know, but with the tools today, like for example here, like it tells me like, hey, those things, like here, that little exclamation interrogation point means that it could be null. But in my research service, the parameter are not null. So say it may cause a problem here, right? Yeah. So it helps. So I guess I won't. They can be null. So we'll have to manage that, because it's true, you could decide it that you're not blocking, and it's like, yeah, search the web. Topic shouldn't be null though. That one shouldn't be null. I think that one is mandatory, but the two others could be null. Right, so search criteria shouldn't be null. So one thing we could do is, if but yeah, I mean, one thing I should do is like force on like if it's null to unblock. Got it. Cool. Have fun. Yeah. So what you say you're a beginner, so what language did you start coding? Python, .NET, JavaScript, TypeScript, Go, Java? Java. Oh, good. Yeah, a little while ago I was balancing between .NET and Java, and I picked .NET. But Java is a good one too. There's a lot of great resources. I have a lot of friends who code Java. Brian Benz is one of them. There's a lot of things on the internet. This guy, great guy with a lot of AI things and everything. Let me put that in the show notes. There's other two, what's his name again? But I think he's creating more French stuff. Julien. I forgot his family name. Julien Dubois. This guy is also a great content creator in Java, but good. Have fun, my friend, learning Java and doing stuff. Okay, so I think right now if we go here, we have something that won't work, but it should be should compile, right? If we do .NET build, assembler for the win. Did you code in assembler? my brother did that, and I tried, but like I could only do like very simple thing. Like very simple thing. My brother was good in assembler, I think. Or like from my eyes of Big Brother back then. Oh, I really need more water. Okay, yeah, so it compiles, so let's push. Let's add a comment to the work item, so next stream we don't spend 20 minutes like figuring out what I did. So that's cool. Okay, cool. So let's add everything. Let's use AI to generate a summary. Enable AI powered research suggestions. Cool. Let's push. Excellent. Now let's go workspace 2 and here. Let's go in this place. Let's add a comment. Components. No, R, because I'm talking. Oh, let's. Okay, placeholder. Is it a one word? Oh, it is. Okay, so the search base with the component is done, or like, you know, done. We still have work to do in it. I was decent at Motorola, but I have now relearned it again and sometimes code small DOS program. Oh, that's cool. That's cool, Fuel. I'm impressed. We had ResearchService with a placeholder, and I forgot the name already of the function. It's called search suggestions. Booms. Okay, so in that search suggestion, what I'm saying here is like we need to add the domain restriction, like the only search on those domains, or like don't search on in that one. They are exclusives, or it's one or the other. That's why I did let it go with null value, because one of them each time will be null. And then maybe the format. So maybe we want a specific format for the answer, since it will be displayed in a grid. So I'll have to do that too. But I think we did a great work today. It was good. Pretty happy with the result. I hope you are too. And I'm pretty happy with the Omarchy distro, how everything worked. Let's see the result of the stream. And after that, we'll see if we can raid someone. So any suggestion for the raids, let me know. Oh, now I'm learning bare metal C programming. Whoa, that's cool for embedded Quizzy. That's great. I missed that message earlier. That's cool. Steve Gibbons. really? Steve Cat. Why the names sounds familiar? Today's stream, that's, by the way, the template of the show notes. So the game result are, and I'm saying that because if you didn't know, if you go behind my cloud, cloud.com, you have all the show notes are available here, all the streams. And if you want to see my project, you could go and you find the project, let's say Notebookmark, since we work on that one, so you could see all the stream we did work on Notebookmark. Okay, so now the big winner of today was Jeff Hatz. Surdev with 77 was the most, like the highest human, and then it was Stony Eagle, me, and GT. The biggest score was Surdev. Excellent. The biggest loser was Undefined Process. The luckiest was Surdev. And the super participant was also Surdev. So, you know, Surdev was a very important part of that stream. And that's why he's the mod. That's cool. We can remove this. Okay, let's have a look. Do we have someone we know who's streaming? Oh, Anna. We could go see Anna. It's been a while since we raid Anna, so let's do that. And that's not what I wanted. I wanted to do something like this, and then, oh man. Definitely doing something for Halloween, apparently. Cool. So swish screen like this, voila. Bigger Frank. Cool. So I wish you all a good weekend. If it's the weather is nice, go outside, and I will see you next week. Thank you all for participating. Thank you for the new follow. That brings us to only 3 to reach 1,000 followers. And I will see you next week, pretty sure. I know I said that last week too, but pretty sure we'll be able to stream twice. So Wednesday and Friday. See you then. Bye-bye. Oops, I should raid first. Frank, come on, like it's been forever. You know that. And now